Yes, kasi even if they can show you a SEC registration, if they don't have a second certificate or authority to gather investments, they cannot
Yes.
still gather investments. They cannot collect or get money from you in the form of investment. Kasi yung registration nila is only registration to operate a corporation, not to seek investment from the public. So there's a separate,
Yes.
yes, you go to the office and ask for a separate authority to seek investment
Mm.
from the public. Hindi enough yung registration lang.
Yes.
Also, we must be wary also of fake sex certificate kasi nagagawa
Yes.
nila, napapalitan nila yung name. Minsan makikita mo yung registration niya, yung parang hindi kasi nila alam yung mga secrets ng mga numbers ng registration. So makikita mo
Yes.
2015 pero yung SEC registration niya parang 2015 pa pero yung date of registration is 2020 ganun. So
Yes.
you have to verify with SEC if that SEC registration or certificate is correct or valid talaga yun. And also ask with SEC if may second registration sila to seek investment from the public.